Most people think learning takes years, but I discovered a way to learn new things faster than ever before. Here's how I do it. Simplify the informations. What do I mean by that? We should go step by step. We shouldn't take the book at once and start reading from the beginning to the end. It won't work like that. What I usually do is first content page, that is most probably first or the second page. So in that content page, you find all the main topics and all the subtopics in that book. I took a snapshot of a portion from the content page of the series 1 Soman Mastery to explain how I simplify information. I write down all the main topics and the subtopics in a different book. I create a new book with the subheadings and the main headings. I will write down only summaries for each and every subheadings. After writing down the summary, I put a mark over the subheading so that I know I finished this subheading. It doesn't mean that you need to study only these summaries and topics. These are the basics and the foundation. If we can't recall what we have studied, then it is pointless. So we should know how to recall. The best way to recall is study something with the help of visual images. I can explain from this image. If I say vowels a, o, u will never accompany a, e, u in a same sentence, will you remember this or will you remember this? Will you remember this or this? One more simple example. I always use simple and effective visuals to remember the things when I was in medical school. Take these two enzymes in our body. One is SGOT and the other one is SGPT. SGOT found in both liver and heart, but it increases significantly when heart tissue is damaged. SGPT is related to liver disease. To avoid confusion, what I did was I wrote SGOT as SG and then a heart symbol and T. Problem solved. So, whenever you try to learn new things, try to add visuals, images to your learning, try to relate your new thing to your familiar thing which you have already knew or you have already studied. Good luck for your language journey. See you in the next video.